Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a website in 5 minutes, that too only by copy pasting. Now you go to Tailwind CSS. Now over here you have to copy this. Okay, copy this whole thing over here, copy it and come to your text editor. Now over here you have to paste it. Now you have to delete this and the link over here, this exclamation and the link. Don't forget, if you keep anything it won't work. Do as I say. Now here you have to copy this link and again go paste it in this. Now you have to save as, so it will ask you where to save it. Now I have created a folder called website in 5 minutes, so I'll save it as index.html in that. Okay, now I have saved it there. Now you have to go to tailblocks.cc. Okay, now we have gone to tailblocks.cc. Now control F and you have to put header. It will go to the header section. Now it will be like this for you. You have to click this dark mode to get the dark mode. Now I like this one, so what I do, I click the color I want this logo to be. I want it to be green. Now for example, I take the green, copy to clipboard, and in the body I paste it. Now after I paste it, I have to save it. Now go to the place where you have saved it. I have saved it here, so it will load and it will show you this. Isn't it nice? You just copy paste it and you got a nav bar. Now I don't want tail blocks to be here, I want my name to be here. So instead of tail block you can give your name. My name is Abhay, so I put Abhay here. So when you refresh you will get Abhay over here. Next, now we don't want this. We now want a hero section where we can tell our product is like this. So over here we have this, but I don't want like this. I want like this. Yes, or like this. Whichever you want, you can choose from these and just click on code, copy code, and after the header tag over here, you have to click enter and then paste it. Okay, then you have to click the save button here and refresh it here. So now we got this also. Instead of this image you can put some other image over here, right? Instead of this you have to put another 720 by 600 image only, then only it will work. Okay. That means 720 is the width and 600 is the height. Now we go to the next one. We want to show that these many people have used it, right? So like this I want, just copy the code, copy to clipboard. After this section, don't put it after the body, it won't work. After the section you have to put enter and paste it. Now again you have to save it here and then you have to refresh here. And now we got this too. Now after this I want to give the steps how to download it. So I'll give this step, no, like this a step, so that this even does like this. Now copy to clipboard. After this section you again hit enter, save it. Now we want to tell our people that so many nice comments are there, so we take this. So many people have commented like this. So after this section we are gonna paste this and save it. And again if we refresh, see, we got even our testimonials, that means comments. Now after all this we want a footer, elegant footer, or we can add hundreds of more things. like a gallery if you want. You can add a gallery too, but I don't want to add it after this testimonial. I want it before over here. So this is a section. When you click on this becomes pink in color, and over here the start. After this section closed, you have to paste it and Control S, save it. Now if you refresh, after this steps you will get a image gallery. Now after this, I want to tell that these are the products we have. So you can add to cart all these things, but I don't want it. I want the features of my product. I want the features. You can learn more over here. All this you can add it if you want, but I don't want to, or I'll add one. So yeah, this looks better. So copy to code, and I don't want it at the last. Now again I want it before this, even, yeah, over here after this steps. So again this, you click on this, and this is the section where it closed. Now again paste it and save it. You got it. After the steps you have this, what are the features. Now you have this. Now I want a footer to end it, like you click on preview. Wait, I'll reload the website, it's hanging. Okay, after it reloads I will show you. Now I wanted a footer, so Control F and FOO, it will give me a footer over here. So these are the categories. I want it like this. Now view code, same as copy to clipboard, and again after all of this, after this section, again paste it, save it, and refresh it. So after the testimonials we have our footer, like any other website. Even if you go to Microsoft company home page, we go fully down, even we have the footer over here, same as like this. This is a little bit different. Here also you can rename it as tail. You can change all of this. Just copy this over here. Try how to find it. Okay, you have to click on find what, find it, find next, you click it, it will be here. Instead of this, put toothpaste. I'm putting something just for dummy text, and then refresh it again until you get toothpaste, something like that. We want to change it, right? Instead of this, you can give nice product, very nice product, I applied it, it was very nice, etc, etc. Okay, now after this, we can change this also. I'll go to my YouTube channel. I'll go to my YouTube channel, and then I'll, instead of in the, wait, I'll show it to you. Over here he has given his YouTube channel's link. So instead of 2020 tail block, you can put as 2020 Abhay, as our name of this website is Abhay. Even the footer must be Abhay over here, right? So it will change over here. See, it has changed. Here you can keep yours and give the link also as yours. I have taught you that in the other video. Now we have made an awesome website now using only copy paste. Now if you want more types of navs, etc., I'll give all these links in the description. This is Tailwind UI kit. This is Wicked Blocks. There's one more, Kitwind, and the last one is Mekai Merakuki UI. You can go to all of these websites, scroll down, click on nav bars. So you got one more nav bar here. You just copy it. You want dark mode, you can keep that. Copy it. Now click on this. Instead of that, what you can do, I'll tell you. The whole header you can choose from here to here and paste this instead of that. Okay. Then in the index.html, if you refresh, you will get this type of nav bar. Okay. It's not a big deal. It's very easy, I'm telling you. You can do like that and get another nav bar from other websites. Like I want from Tailwind UI Kit. This is a very famous website, by the way. If you take from it, it will look very nice. Now I want headers over here. I like this. Yes, like this I want, or like on the right side, or I get this. I want this. Okay. Now instead of this nav over here, I'll paste this and let us see this in our website. See this is a different type. We got this, right? We don't want like this now. I want something else from wickedblocks.com. Okay, and the navigation. Okay, we want like this. Okay, another type code and copy this code. That's it. Copy this code. Okay, then paste it instead of this nav. Easy, right? All this is easy. So you can do the same things, just that you have to be careful. You should not put footer instead of this thing. So these are the website. I'll give these links. You can take different components means the things which we saw here, this one, etc. Here instead of nav bar there are more components, pricing components, like this, right? We had pricing even here in our tail blocks. See, we had even in our tail blocks. Tail blocks is a modern type. It will give you. Even we had put in our website. I think we have not put. You can add it if you want. Okay, you can do all those things. You can make your website even bigger. And do subscribe to my channel. And that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a like and comment sweet comments.